All right, it's Jay today and Gwen tomorrow. We're back with another adventure. So currently we're here at Sea Salt, a seafood eatery, but we're not going to that. We're actually going to the waterfall over here, which you'll see here shortly. So hello, Gwen's got the camera today, so she'll be the photographer. There's a little statue over here too. As you can see, the snow is definitely deep here. It's got a nice little trail of water running.
It looks like the statue is called Hiawatha and Minnehaha. Oh, there's a duck. 2 ducks. Top of the waterfall. see the icicles down there? You see the icicles down there too?
Yeah, I got that. That is so cool.
Well, and the sun looks kind of cool today too.
Come over here, you see a better view.
Of the icicles or
Of
the
everything.
waterfall?
The waterfall is plunging. It drops like 65 feet, I think, or 60 something feet.
Oh, that looks more than that.
I think it's like 65 feet. You never liked how close you were. You should off. Here's a little synopsis.
Sea Salt, a seafood eatery.
Hey. That's what we came for, guys, that big water. Look at the icicles, too. I mean, they're, like, so crazy over there.
Well, and behind the waterfall, too. Oh, and look, there's, like, it kind of curves around with this little one and the bigger one.
So neat. I am so happy. I mean, this is pretty cool, huh? This is a way to start off the little trip, huh?
There you go.
Is this your first waterfall in Minnesota?
I don't recall.
This is like my third or fourth, I think, but I'm not 100% sure. So, very cool though. Very neat. I'm glad we came for this, so.
On to the next adventure.
Yes. So. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and end this one, guys. We'll see you on the next adventures here, there, and everywhere. You guys take care.
Bye.
Beautiful water.